New regulations are coming, and it's setting up to be a very, very interesting week for AMC stock. If you guys have not been paying attention to what's going on, there's a lot of stuff that's really on the table right now. I'm going to go over some of the latest stuff. We've covered a lot of the other information, the new regulations, the DTCC, the NSCC in previous videos. But let's go ahead and just talk about the latest that's going on. So if you guys take a look at today, you can actually see the price went up 6.10%. Let me just go ahead and start off by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research, and as usual, I always encourage you guys to go do additional research of your own. So in the aftermarkets, we can see that it's just slightly down. There was a lot of this volatile activity that was really taking place, mainly in that last hour. This is also known as a power hour. And to a lot of people's surprise, but also, are we really that surprised? It started dropping. It was doing very well for the day, pushing up quite high. At one point, I believe it actually passed Robinhood, and then it started dropping down here, came back up. Just very odd kind of day. Volume 107.91. Let's go ahead and go back over to the day view here. And you guys can also see the RSI is starting to get a little bit over towards that of the overbought territory, but I'm not worried about that personally at all. Let's go ahead and go over some of the other information. The dark pool, a lot of people are talking about the activity is getting absolutely insane again over on the dark pool. So as far as for this position, it's negative 15 million. Negative 15 million shares. Position is negative $495 million. Charles Payne had noted, as well as other people have noted, the SEC chairman says in Barron's interview that ban of payment for order flow is on the table. Gary Gensler, he's trying to see if he can get him back on for Fox Business to do a nice little interview to find out more information about this. And I really hope that he does get him on as well. And so here's an article that's saying the same thing. This also notes, though, Gary Gensler tells Barron's that the agency is weighing steps to move more of this market to transparency. So I know he's been putting out some things, and it's kind of it's a two-sided thing. There are people that are saying, like, hey, this is great that he's pursuing these things, and then there's the other side of people that are saying, hey, this guy is full of crap, like he's not actually getting anything done. And, you know, you got to have some faith, right? The fact that he's making things public, what it is that he's pursuing, why he's pursuing it, there's a lot of stuff that to me looks very positive. So I'm hoping that we actually do see results that come from all of this. But if people are expecting everything to just be like, oh, overnight, hey, you just changed the entire system, it doesn't work like that. You also got AMC being reported, supposedly, of 71% in the dark pool. Now, I didn't see this as of the time, unfortunately, but a lot of people are also talking about this. So 71% of the dark pool for AMC already today. They're trying hard to keep it down, but it really isn't working. 71%. Think about that. Over 7 out of 10 shares being traded in the dark pool. Now, this information through Stonko Tracker is actually going to be identifying more so what was happening for yesterday. So we'll get this updated, and we'll be talking more about this tomorrow. What's interesting here is the fee percentage rate is starting to go up once again. So it was at 0.9%, then hit 1.2, and actually went up to 1.3 on the daily. For call options, we can actually see there's 40,000 currently in the money. There's 99,000 out of the money, so not as much as what we were seeing last week. And then for the trading data, the dark pool percentages I was talking about here is for actually this is for the 25th. That's quite a bit behind. Now that I see that, I don't know why it's so far behind with that. That's 64.9% on that. And then also, based on cycle theory, AMC could go up to $175 to $250 in a week or so without the squeeze, based on FOMO and short covering due to new regulations coming in first week of September. This could trigger a squeeze then. So the speculation is because we look at these charts, $175 to $250. You have new higher highs, new higher lows, and this forms a channel. This is an ascending channel. And based off of this metric, it is suggesting that we are on the precipice of bouncing off of that lower channel and having a continuation up. And if it continues all the way up, this resistance at the top is pushing around those price levels mentioned here, around $175 to $250. And that, again, is not including the actual covering of short positions for the squeeze itself. So that would accelerate it to much higher, right? AMC is set up perfectly to pass the $72 all-time high, have patient apes. It's far from over. Another example of this as well. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video there. So I got referral links in the description if you want to get some free cryptocurrency or free stock. It is free money for you guys. So feel free to check those out. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do cover a lot on AMC. I also talk about cryptocurrency on the channel, hence my name, Crypto Atlas. Let us know what you guys think about this stuff in the comments down below. Don't forget to also hit the thumbs up like button. It helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm. And feel free to share the video. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next episode.